what's up YouTube? Alright, I am Jimmy Sequence. Yo, big up all the supporters. Big up to all the people that has been there from day one helping me to build this channel. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already, just jump into the thing and do the thing. See? Thanks for all the people that are commenting on the videos. That's extremely important. That helps the algorithm and helps to build the channel. Thanks to all the man that reach out to me personally and talk to me on the phone and let me know that I'm doing a good job. You know, you need that sometimes to keep you motivated. You don't know that though. Saying, because I feel like I'm doing work. I'm doing good work for people that are into the business, that love the culture. So big respect to all the man that reach out. I am going to talk about something briefly that I've had a couple of conversations with. I had a conversation with a friend of mine about it the other day because, you know, he likes the analog equipment, the EQs and crossovers and compressors and all of the different pieces of equipment that you generally see on sound systems and that you would have seen on sound system, you know, had you been around the business for multiple years. Like back in the days, you know, we had the compressor, we had the EQ. You have EQ and bass, different EQ for top end. You have your crossover. Well, that's the extent of what I did. I had the EQ and top end, one stereo EQ on top end. I had the mono EQ on the bass. I always had that. I had the crossover. I had the Ashley crossover. And I had echo and, you know, compressor and all of that. There's still a lot of people that have all of those things on their sounds and still have a drive rack on their sound. And my argument is the whole reason you have a drive rack, the whole reason they make a drive rack was designed primarily to replace all of those equipment. You get me? Like they make a drive rack to replace the graphic equalizer. Drive racks have graphic equalizers in them. They have parametric equalizer, which most of us don't ordinarily have a parametric equalizer on our sound, but the drive rack has that. It has compressor, limiter. It have everything that you would have in a rack. You see those guys that have these big processor rack? Even today, you have a rack with a whole complete rack just for processors, and yet they still using a drive rack. So they run into a bunch of EQs and then out of these EQs into the drive rack. You can go directly to your drive rack and get everything that you need out of just the drive rack. And, you know, to some people I'm preaching to the choir. Some people knows this, some people don't know this, and some people will argue with you from now until next year that, you know, you need this and you need that and you need this and you need that. The fact is either or either. I am not saying that EQs and crossovers and all of that, because I had them, and my sound, if you talk to most people today, they will tell you about the original Sequence. It play wicked. It play wicked. It's just you had to have all of those different equipments to get what you can get out of just one single one rack piece of equipment. The drive rack replaces all of them. So again, my intention is to kind of tell the people that are still, you know, insisting that you need to have the EQ and the this and the that along with the drive rack. There's no reason to have all of those things and still have a drive rack. You can go either or. Either you go with the old equipment, the old graphic equalizers and the crossovers and, you know, the DBEs and all of those things that you have on the rack. You can go with all of those, or you can go with a drive rack. Plain and simple. A drive rack replaces all of them. Jump in the comments, let me know what you think, because I know these things are quite controversial, you know. So let me know what you think. Am I saying something that makes sense to you or not? Do you need to have a drive rack and 2 or 3 EQs on your sound and crossover and this, that, and the other? Because I see it. They have preamp, they have crossover. They have all kind of things on the sound, and they still have the drive rack on the sound. So let me know what you think. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the day and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.